Blueground Review, Usage Experience. If you're considering long-term stays in fully furnished apartments, Blueground might be the solution you need. Designed for professionals, remote workers, and digital nomads seeking flexibility and high-quality living, Blueground offers fully furnished, move-in-ready apartments in major cities worldwide. With utilities, Wi-Fi, and amenities included, it's tailored to individuals looking for hassle-free accommodation for a month or longer. One standout feature is the simplicity of the booking process. Everything is handled online, from apartment selection to lease agreements. The app serves as a centralized hub for managing your stay, including requesting cleaning services, reporting maintenance issues, or even extending your lease. The apartments are professionally designed, often located in prime areas, and come with modern furnishings, fully equipped kitchens, and cozy living spaces. It's clear Blueground emphasizes comfort and practicality, aiming to provide a home-away-from-home experience. During my usage, the onboarding process was seamless. I appreciated the transparent pricing, no hidden fees, and the option to switch apartments mid-stay if needed, thanks to their flexible relocation policy. The apartments themselves were true to the photos provided, and the quality of the furniture and appliances met expectations. The 24/7 customer support was also a huge plus. Responses were quick and issues were resolved efficiently. However, there are some points to consider. Blueground's pricing leans toward the premium side, making it more suitable for professionals or those with a flexible budget. Additionally, while most cities have a robust selection of properties, availability can be limited during peak seasons. That said, if you're someone who values convenience, modern living, and flexibility, these factors may outweigh the cost. Overall, my experience with Blueground was highly positive. It delivers exactly what it promises: fully equipped, convenient living spaces with professional service. While it's not for budget travelers, it's an excellent option for those who prioritize comfort, style, and ease of transition. If that aligns with your needs, Blueground is worth considering for your next long-term stay.